నేను చెప్పిన మీడియా డ్రెస్ వేసుకుని వచ్చిండు వాడు, ఈ డ్రెస్ ఈ బ్యాగ్ వేసుకుని వచ్చిండు.
Muzaffar, stating that he received a call from his daughter at around 5 o'clock that 4 persons trespassed into the house, beat the girl, locked her in a room and committed the and later they have robbed the amount which were up to the tune of 22,50,000. So the crime scene, the police team has visited the scene, the dogs and crews, everyone has visited and studied the entire scene of offence. Even ACP who is nearby and Inspector Jagadish, they reached the spot within no time and collected all the clues. So with their efforts, because they have visited the scene in no time and there is no loss of any evidences, we could able to finalize the culprits within 3 to 4 days. So the daughter of the complainant, her name is Taksiya. She hatched a plan with one of her boyfriend to have this kind of fence and to leave away the place, the home of the parents, and to lead their own life. The girl, she is studying in Civil Services Challenges Academy in Hyderabad. So the parents are giving so much good education and a good life. But the girl, because of the family disputes and because she is shattered with the atmosphere at home, so she preferred to elope with the boy with the available money in the house. So police has technically they have investigated and able to get this taxi along with the boyfriend and also another one more person by name Nazir alias Shafi. So who has helped him in keeping the money in a safe custody. So now we have arrested and sending them to